So Prabhupada, in our temples, we have so many devotees. Should the devotees in
They should be engaged.
Should they be trained in a particular?
Yes. Those who are not able to preach or to do other things, they must go to the plough department. Agriculture.
Those who cannot preach.
Yeah? Yeah. Those who are less educated, not very much expert in preaching, they must be acting as Kshatriya or Vaishya or as Sudra.
And some
not he Sudra or as Yambhadra, but he has to act to fill up the gap. Proxy.
So we should encourage people, young students to come to our college.
They will automatically come if you are ideal. Because they are being forced to poverty. So when there is question of poverty, they will come.
Room and board and training.
Yeah. With poverty, why there is poverty? Because they are not producing food. Everyone wants so-called comfortable life, so-called education, sitting idle in the table and chair, and talking all gossips, nonsense, and sleeping. They have been trained up in this way, Shudra.
So they should be trained to rise early. And so
yeah. Now if you keep healthy, then you will naturally rise early. But if you, because you have lost all what is called stamina,
yes.
Therefore sleeping is my own business. Sleeping means for the weak and for the strong perspiration. This is the sign. When a man sleeps too much, he is weak in his health. And the strong man will perspire. These are very bolir gham and dudbal and gum. Gham and gum. Gum means sleeping and gham means perspiration. Principle. A human being means trained up under principle. There is a difference between animals. The animals, they cannot take up any training. But the human being, this human form of body, is meant for taking training. So if they are not properly trained up, they remain animals and the whole society in chaos and confusion. That's all. The moment the human society is so degraded that even we are walking, this is also risky. This is also, gradually it is becoming just like in our New York, that Berkeley, no? Brooklyn. It is difficult to walk due to the Negroes. They immediately, where have we got? There are so many incidents. In such city as New York, there is always danger like that. If somebody kills you, nobody will take care of you. The human society has become. And in India still, they are not so degraded. You see? Even at night you can safely walk on the street. But in Europe, America, you cannot with confidence walk alone in the big streets. The human being has become so degraded, less than animals. They can attack you just like in the forest. Any ferocious animal can attack you at any time. All big cities have become like that. Example, that they have started that United Nations. What they have done actually, United Nations? Have they done anything progressive?
No.
A big advertisement, United Nations. All nations, but because all the cats and dogs united, what they can do? If all the world's cats and dogs meet together to make a formula, will they be able? So actually this is the proof. They are all cats and dogs. But they don't know how to unite, how to live in peace. They do not know it because they are animals, cats and dogs. This is the proof. Just study this institution, what they have done. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, study this institution.
30 years now.
30 years they are struggling for United Nations, big expenditure. So many humbug, Bharamud Bhato Bimura, humbug program, no result. Prahlad Maharaj said, I am thinking, I am only for this rascal. They are making humbug program, but there is no action. And for temporary so-called happiness, without God consciousness. I am simply thinking of it. Otherwise, personally, I have no problem. This was spoken by Prahlad Maharaj to Nrsimha. Sochi tato vimukha cetasa maya sukhaya bharamut bhato vimukha. This has become like Prahlad Maharaj. We can chant anywhere. That's all right. Krishna will provide everything. We have no business to do. But we have to take them because we are sympathizers. So many people are being killed by this modern civilization. They had the opportunity to become Krishna conscious by the setup of this rascal civilization. They are being killed spiritually. Therefore we have to take it. Devotee, personally he has no problem. But he pushes himself in this degraded society to teach them how to live, how to become gentlemen. Therefore, otherwise we have no business. But if we don't give them the opportunity, they will not be able to come to Krishna consciousness. It will be good for you because Krishna will see, oh, here is my devotee, he is doing so much for me. Your service will be recognized by Krishna. Don't think that because you are teaching a Shudra how to work like this, you have become a Shudra. You are not Shudra in any circumstances. Even though you teach to a Shudra how to work like this. Understand? Don't misunderstand. Clearly understand what is the purpose. Is that out? Or it is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
One good example in New Vrindavan, they're actually doing that. They're training Kshatriyas, they're training...
That was the very beginning. I started the New Vrindavan scheme on this formula.
Ketananda Swami has carried it out just as you've designed.
So in a sense, New Vrindavan is already...
Yeah, the starting is already there.
They even have a court system now. They started it when I was there last time. They have so many members that sometimes someone may commit some offense or something. They even have a judicial type of system where he comes before the board of members, older members.
All fights should be decided by the board.
Yes.
That's nice.
So they're actually...
And it will be accepted even by the court. Here in India there is a system. A board of 5-10 men in the village. If there is some fight between two parties, whatever the board will decide, that will be accepted in the court.
Yeah.
Panchayat, it is called Panchayat system. There will be no scarcity. They will engage to some of them will engage to produce food. Where is the question of scarcity? There is food, there is milk, eat and drink and be human being.
When we first go to open a temple in a city, we get an apartment or a storefront. But then when more and more people come, then we should get land and cows and everything and turn it into a society.